I think there's a lot of concern for climate change amongst our community, and particularly with our young people, and this is a really practical way for kids to be able to take direct action to mitigate climate change, to capture carbon and to support our local biodiversity, which we know is under increasing stress from the amount of land clearing for housing that we have here in Lake Macquarie. We are planting 440 native species that are Indigenous to this site today here with the kids at St Paul's Primary School, Gateshead.
So with the kids, they're very passionate about the environment, and what they want to see is a space that they can call their own. It's a space where they can feel like it's a part of them, not just a part of the school. It is going to open up so many opportunities to expand and to bring nature back into schools where it possibly wasn't in the past.
I'm most excited for these students because they're involved in the planting of this, and when they maybe bring their kids back to the school in 20 years' time, they'll be able to say, I planted that forest. And I think just the more exposure we can give to kids about learning about our environment, how we can protect the biodiversity, and just how important trees are for carbon offset, but also just for the little creatures that are finding nowhere to live. Yeah.
Where it takes nature about 200 years to create that kind of complex forest, we can do the same thing. We can replicate that within 20 years. So these trees should be 3 times taller than me within 12 months. We try to incorporate art, culture, nature and community into all of the projects we do, because we feel like they're the important pillars of, I guess, bringing people together and that kind of stewardship for the environment. So this project definitely has a strong cultural element to it, as well as that bringing together community and art and nature. This project was funded by the donors of the Taronga Conservation Society Hatch Accelerator project, so we'd like to thank them for their support.